Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix RDR Unsupported Graphics Adapter error. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This error usually appears because RDR1 requires at least DirectX 11, and if your graphics card doesn't support it, you'll see the message saying D3D feature level 11 is required when launching the game. In this guide, I'll also show you how to improve performance, so the game not only opens but is actually playable, even on a low-end or potato PC. First, you'll need to download a few files. Open the ASI loader page, scroll down to the download section, and download the file. Next, go to the script hook RDR page, scroll down, and download the script hook RDR file. After that, download the ultra-low compatibility mods pack. Scroll down and you'll see 3 versions available. One for 128 megabytes VRAM, one for 64 megabytes VRAM, and one for the lowest possible VRAM. Download the lowest option as that's what we'll be using. I will put all these links in the description. Once all files are downloaded, open the folder where you have downloaded your files. Then place the folder with these files on the right side of your screen. After that, open your RDR1 game directory on the left side. Once these are set up, open the ASI loader folder first, copy the DLL file inside it, and paste it directly into the RDR1 game directory. Then go back, open the script hook RDR folder, copy the script hood file inside it, and paste that into the game directory as well. Next, we'll install the Ultra Low Settings mod. Inside your RDR1 game directory, create a new folder and name it Scripts in all lowercase. Then, open this new folder. Then open the Ultra Low VRAM mod folder, copy the LUA file, and paste it into the scripts folder you just created. After this, try running the game. If it works, that's great. If not, continue with the next steps. Now, open the web page for the VRAM requirement bypass mod. Scroll down to the download section and download the mod pack. Once downloaded, place that folder on the right side of your screen and open your RDR1 game directory on the left. Open the VRAM bypass folder and drag the DLL file directly into the RDR1 game directory. After doing this, run the game again and test if it works. If the game still doesn't launch, you'll need to install the DirectX offline installer, which I'll leave linked in the description. Download it, open the folder, look for DX Setup, run it, and complete the installation. Once finished, test the game again. It should work, but if you encounter a black screen, you may need to apply custom in-game graphics settings. If you're on a laptop, you may need to upgrade entirely. When buying a laptop, always ask the seller to install and run the game before you purchase it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix RDR Unsupported Graphics Adapter error. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.